Hey guys, welcome to Franklin Woodworks. You know, I've had a lot of folks asking about my wooden truck bed, specifically how did I mount the filler tube for the gas tank? Well, the uncomfortable truth is I didn't really think about it other than I'll figure it out once the bed was finished. But once the bed was finished, I decided that I could just mount the filler tube underneath the bed, out of the way, where it wouldn't detract from the flawless beauty of the bed. It was then that I was reminded of a physics lesson. Liquid does not flow uphill. As you can tell by the holes I cut in the bed, I tried a few things, and mounting the gas cap flush on the bed definitely did work, but it was awkward to get to with the gas nozzle and difficult to get to when the bed was loaded. So the many of you that inquired about it caused me to solve the problem once and for all. Because I want to spend as little money as possible, I was able to solve this for $9, and I'll get to that part in a minute. But in the meantime, I had to cut some holes to allow for the stock filler tube to be used. Even once the holes were cut, I had to finesse those holes with a rasp to get everything flush. Then I had to create a mounting plate so the filler tube could be solidly attached to the side of the bed. I won't go into that process very much because you may want to do something different, or you're probably smarter than me and will come up with a better solution. But the video will give you an idea of how I created the mounting plate. Now once that was done, I had to attach the filler tube back to the gas tank in its new position. I was able to buy a small section of exhaust tube that was pre-bent at a 45-degree angle. I cut a small section, 6 inches or so, off of the rubber portion of the filler tube so I could splice everything together. Then I screwed the mounting plate onto the side of the bed. So this was really a proof of concept project, and now that I know that it works, I'll go back and create a better mounting plate that will match the bed and completely cover the holes I made while experimenting. And once I'm able to paint the truck, I'll remake the planks in the bed and the side so that it is once again flawless. Anyway, I hope this gives you some good ideas. Thanks for watching, and there you go.